Facebook, Instagram, TikTok, Twitter, LinkedIn, YouTubers. What's going on? Hey, welcome back to My Paradise Lifestyle. Living Caribbean, baby. Well, 7:30 in the morning, and right outside my door, look at this thing. What the is going on? Look at the size of that truck. They're putting cement on top of that building. They're building this huge condominium building right here. So it's 7:30 on a Saturday morning. This frickin' guy shows up with that frickin' truck, putting that frickin' cement on the top of that building. And right across the street on the beach, they're building another all-inclusive resort right next to my condominium building right here. But you know what? Life's good. I'll tell you why. I'm living life in paradise, baby. I'm in the Caribbean. The beach is right there. I'm half naked, 7:30 on a Saturday morning, drinking my Mexican coffee, loving life. And I'll tell you why. I got no problems, baby. My life is amazing because I live a laptop lifestyle. I make money online. I can be anywhere at any time. I have no boss, nobody telling me what to do, except one person, actually two. My mom and my girlfriend. But here's the good news. The good news is, I got palm trees right behind me full of coconuts. I got the beach right over there. I got my pool right over there. And I got my flamingo drink right here. So what's up, guys? Let me answer this question. Yeah, it's really simple. If you want to sell a product, you set up a Shopify store. So Shopify is like the #1 company right now. I got the Caribbean Ocean right behind me. I'm just hanging out on the beach here, guys. I live literally right there, 1 block from the beach. Yeah, you want to set up a Shopify website. So what you do is you go to shopify.com, you register for your account, and of course you have to give them, you got to make an investment and you got to pay for it. But what you can do is sell any product on your Shopify page. Then once you get the Shopify page set up, you're going to upload your products. You got to find a product. If you don't have a product, I can get you products. I can get you the most popular products on the internet selling today, September 7th, 2020. Okay, right now. So we have very popular, some products selling right now on the on Shopify, and they're selling like hotcakes. Okay, because people are still stuck at home. They're still they're scared to go out, and they got to wear masks and all that stuff. And 35% of the USA is on unemployment. It's the highest unemployment we've ever seen, guys, in the history of the USA. Now, I'm in Mexico right now, and it's even worse. About 70% of the people are out of jobs here. So the #1 place to make money is on the internet right now, period. #1. And #2, you can set up a Shopify site and sell products. #3, you can sell my products and services, which is online mentoring. I teach people and show people how to make money online any way you want. I've done it all since 1997. I have been making money online. So I might know what I'm talking about. So keep watching, click the like button, hit the notification bell, get all my videos, and subscribe to my channel. But I'm going to show you a trick right now in a couple of minutes. I'm going to be right back. Keep watching. I'm going to show you one little trick that you can do. on YouTube, and you can start making money in one day. Keep watching. Coconuts, 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 coconuts. I love coconuts. Can you hear that water? Coconut water? Look at the coconuts right behind me, right behind my head in the tree. I'm gonna go get some more coconuts because I feel like a coconut. Okay, so check it out. Listen, I'm back real quick at the computer from the beach. I'm gonna go back out in a minute and I'm gonna listen to some live music on the beach, and I'll send you a video of that. But let me show you some statistics here. Check this out. This is real. I don't do any of this scripted stuff. I'm not scripted. I don't have a script. Everything comes fresh from my mind, my mouth, off the cuff. And I hope you love this stuff because I'm real. I'm as real as it gets. And let me show you this here. Look at this. Look at this. This is amazing. Okay, I don't know if I need you to see this. Here's one of my YouTube channels. I have many YouTube channels. This is a brand new one called My Paradise Lifestyle, okay? So my friend applied this YouTube live stream coding secret trick. And look at this. Look at the numbers here. I want you to watch this. Look at the numbers. On yesterday, let's say on September 1st, okay? You can see that. On September 1st, there was 18 views. September 2nd, 36 views. Then we put the video on live stream. Boom. 228 views. 228 views. That is right there. And look, I got a video live right now. See, it says live? Live. It's live. Live on YouTube. On the first page of YouTube. So when you apply this, when you add this to your business, your YouTube channel, this is a 2,600% jump in views in hours. This has only been running, that was in 8 hours. No, not even 6 hours. 6 hours. I went from, and we just tested this on this new YouTube channel with one video, 18 views, up to 228 views in 6 hours. 6 hours. Wow. I was pretending that was in slow motion. Could you use that right now for your YouTube channel? How about this? How about I have my guys set it up for you? If you're ready, if you want this will change your life, change your income, you can explode your income, your profit, your money from getting more views on your YouTube channel. If you don't have a YouTube channel, I'll create a YouTube channel for you, and I'll apply this trick. We will set this up for you. Comment below, click like, click the notification bell, and subscribe to my channel right now. But send me a comment, and say, James, I'm interested. I'm in. I want to, look, I'm going crazy here. I can't believe this. I'm going to make millions of dollars from this one new, thank God for the coronavirus. This guy created this during the quarantine. He said, James, this is a new trick. Code. I have the code where we can set up the YouTube live stream and put you on the first page of every YouTube search that are people looking for your product. And I will make you rich using the #1 search engine in the world, or #2, which is YouTube. Everything is going to YouTube. You need to be on YouTube. And use this new YouTube live stream coding trick. This is what you need right here. Live. You need to be live. Okay, comment below. Send me your name, your mobile number, your country code, where you're from. Let's get on a live WhatsApp. We use WhatsApp. WhatsApp is the #1 way to talk to people. Free calls internationally. I talk to people every day in 26, 27, 28, 30 different countries who want this now. You guys got to do this, okay? Okay, keep watching. I'm going to show you some more stuff, and I'm also going to entertain you and have some fun with my videos like I always do. Comment below. Send me a comment. Say, James, I'm in. I'm interested. Give me your name. Give me your country code and your cell phone, your mobile number, and your email. We will contact you, and we'll get you hooked up. In one day, I can have this set up for you on YouTube. You on YouTube. Millions. You want to make millions? YouTube. Millions? YouTube. Huh? There goes the dump truck. There he is right there. He finally just left. They just threw all this stuff off the top of the building right next to my place. Made a shitload of noise since 7:30, 8 o'clock this morning. It's 3:30 in the afternoon here in the Caribbean, right on the beach. Now I'm going to go back, and I was going to try and do some more work, but I think I'm done for the day. I'm going to do a little cleanup. Clean up a little bit. They got all kinds of dirt and dust from the building. Here, let me show you real quick here. I'm running. They got this huge, look at this, beautiful building. These are all condominiums. Studios, 1 bedroom, 2 bedroom, 3 bedroom, penthouses. Penthouses on top. They're going to sell for over $1 million right on the beach. And I'm right here next door. But here's the deal, guys. Listen, comment below. Send me a comment right now if you are interested in doing one thing. If you are interested in doing one thing, and that one thing is this. I have one product that you can sell online every day, 24 hours a day automatically, and make over $1,000 a day. If you're interested, I'm not going to tell you to go buy a course. I'm not trying to sell you anything. I'm going to show you how to do it live. Comment below and say I'm in. Just say make money. I want to make money. I'm interested. I'm in. Make money. Give me your name, your number, your country code, your mobile cell phone number, and your email. We will be in touch with you within 48 hours. Promise you. I promise you. I will show you how to do it in one day.
Hola! They killed the flamingo in the pool. They kill him.
Okay, so here's how this works, okay? It's very simple. Listen to me very carefully. Number one, if you already have a YouTube channel and you need more views, my number one technologically advanced coder, my team, I have a whole team. They will set this YouTube live stream up for you. You can hear me right now. My YouTube live video is running live 24 hours a day on YouTube worldwide. I'm getting thousands of views by the minutes, okay? That's how you make money. Number two, if you don't have a YouTube channel, we will show you how, or we will set up a YouTube channel for you to sell your product or service worldwide. All over the world, guys. You know, there's 26, 27, 28 countries that speak English, and they want everything coming from the USA. If you have a product or service in the USA, you need to sell it all over the world. That's how you make millions of dollars, period. But you need this new tool, YouTube live stream. We set you up in one day. Comment below. Comment. Give me a comment below. Smash the like button, click the notification bell, and subscribe. But comment. I want to comment, and I want to put you on the new track. This is brand new, September 3rd, 2020. Thank God for the coronavirus. This is what my guy created during the quarantine. He figured out a secret code with YouTube to put your videos live without paying any money for advertising. Let me say that again. You don't have to spend any money for advertising. This is free. There's no charge. YouTube Live. Are you ready to go live?